Hi guys, Laz here, and in this video we're going to talk about including and excluding products as well as categorizing products. So what we're going to be doing here is pretty much we have the option of excluding and including products. So why would you want to do this? And it's mainly for seasonal items. If you know it's winter, or yeah, if it's winter and you want to exclude a specific item, you can exclude an item if the description contains the word summer in it. So that's just a quick example of excluding a product. So yeah, that's just a quick example of excluding a product. Now, there's many other options here why you would or wouldn't want to exclude products, but this is just telling you guys that this option here exists. So continuing from this, now the next section is categories, and this is to categorize your products. So here you want to select the main category of your store. For this, you were gonna probably go with home and garden. Now, if you don't have a niche store, you might want to contact support here and see what ways you can set this up so that it best suits your store. They're really experts on everything that comes to the app, so you want to reach out to them, make sure everything is running good on your end. So want to select an input field. Under input field, we want to go to collection 0. That's the one that we have set up on our store. This is basically going to pull the data from your collections on your Shopify store, and we're going to click generate. Now our collections are right here. They're blurred out because we don't want you guys to see what we're selling, but your collections will come out there as well. And basically what you can do here is pair up these categories with these collections and make sure they match up pretty well. So let's say we're selling pet stuff. We want to go into pets, and let's say we want to do pet supplies. It's probably the best. Um, and yeah, so that's a good example for selling other different things. We can go on ahead and add those there. But yeah, that's pretty much it for categorizing products. We have all those categories there. And we want to go on ahead and fill all these categories in. Make sure they match up well with the ones all the way on the right. And basically once we're done there, now this is very important because you want to categorize these properly to basically allow your Google Shopping campaign to show up and be optimized for your products. So this is very important, guys. So we go on ahead and click save and proceed. Once you guys have filled out all those categories, and there we have it. We have our Google Shopping Canada channel, and as you can see, it's processing here. It has all of our products, and I think it removed 2 products because of that exclude summer products that we did. It's processing that data. As you can see right here, 3 products. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys, for setting up the shopping feed. And now we're going to be talking about optimizing with analytics, which is a super cool tool that this app offers that pretty much allows you to see the performance of every product on every channel and basically pause the bad ones, separate the good ones, and all that good stuff. So we'll be going into that now in the next video. So see you guys in there.